This video is part of the 5 for 5 series created by the Early Learning Coalition of Hillsborough County. In these videos, we share different activities you could do with your child 5 minutes or more per day to practice skills or concepts from different key developmental areas. This series focuses specifically on summertime activities. Splash into summer fun with us!
Hi there, this is Nicole. I'm going to talk a little bit about language and literacy and why it is important. Children raised in homes that promote family literacy grow up to be better readers and do better in school. While family literacy activities are often based in reading, there are a lot of other ways families can conduct literacy activities at home through picture books, songs, poetry, and storytelling. Along with reading, rhyming, singing, and talking beginning from birth, profoundly influence language and literacy development and the foundations for all other learning. So let's take a look at some of these activities that we have. Books, make them a key member of your family. One of the easiest ways to show your child the importance of reading is to make a special place to store your child's books. Have you ever flipped through a friend's photos and imagined a story to go along with them? Young children love to use their imaginations to create stories to go along with pictures. One of the earliest literacy skills children develop is the concept of sequencing or telling a story from start to finish in order. One way to practice this skill at home is to create your own picture books or books without words. Using photos, pictures from magazines, or your child's drawings, books can be created and placed in the home library for easy access in that special place that you've created for your child. Storytelling is talking about family history and creating new adventures. And writing notes. Learning to read and learning to write go hand in hand. It's important to practice and encourage emerging writing skills with your young children and use those to learn new languages. One way to encourage writing practice is to have family members leave notes for one another on a regular basis, little stickies, little love notes in a lunchbox, maybe taping a note to the mirror in the hallway, or just leaving a sticky note, like I said before. Now, let's talk about some activities that we can do with the beach ball. One activity is bounce the ball off the wall. And this is a great activity where you can use sticky notes to put letters, numbers, or anything else that you would like to write on the sticky note. And then practice letter or number recognition, by calling out one and having your child throw the ball to hit the correct number on the wall. You can up the difficulty by using sight words or common phrases that they might recognize. Another one is have a ball with rhymes. Write a simple word on each beach ball stripe, then toss it or roll it to someone in the family, and then they either read the word facing up and say a word that rhymes with it. So for instance, if you see in the picture, the word is bee. So once you throw it, the person catching would say maybe tree or free to rhyme with the word bee. The last activity that we're going to talk about is bouncing around comprehension. If you program the beach ball by writing or drawing different story elements such as characters, setting, time and place, beginning, middle, and end, maybe one thing they loved about the story or one thing they didn't like about the story, and then as you toss the ball around, you can have a discussion about the book. You can also program the beach ball with different, maybe higher order thinking questions to promote more language by having a conversation with your child or by answering questions about the story that are on the beach ball.